ɛsi edi nketia he is in a dilemma na oye ne bi aba be CNDC mu Ghana fu ntu nso ano especially
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de ba Ghana Nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section o ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum me say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de nito Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce here.
ɛsi edi nketia he is in a dilemma na oye ne bi aba be CNDC mu Ghana fu ntu nso ano especially NDC fu ofusiambo for the ba say na be your obey protective shield no dey protect John Dramani Mahama.
Samre no so na te say edi nketia advocating position no
advocating position we yefio na woni ne ekobai say no ye won adwene say Supreme Court manipulating what dey John Dramani Mahama ɛsi edi nketia no say still a chairman no ye
be prevent
John Dramani Mahama so me fonton fo bia man ko ne mra so onko no nipa foforo nso mra me ko so no say president edi it has become clear the intentions are known to everybody. Enti oye ne biare ba party mu na ehu Mr Supreme Court wo nya won achinkire no da obedi aman obe interpret so all right says so ko biu
enti mpre ko bi anko fragbership di biu na nebisi
eno ni asem grassroots be jija because wo say
because o hu say eno nti ena odi ofusampo fo bade a me dis asem nko biu
eno nso nti ena Supreme Court be interpreting what the aman e say de ketia kura ni wa because of his influence in the party obetumi asila orchestrate manipulate behind the scene. Enti ni
pa be ye chairman.
Yes. Enti wo kire say e dis sanity dia kwate wo party. Wo mera so. Enti there is going to be an internal fight within NDC. Kwate wo party. Na fa wo be fund.
Enti mpre ko bi anko fragbership di biwa na nebisi.
Eno ni asem. Grassroots be jija. Because wo say
because o hu say eno nti ena odi ofusampo fo bade a me dis asem nko biu
eno nso nti ena Supreme Court be interpreting what the amano e say de ketia kura ni wa because of his influence in the party obetumi asila orchestrate manipulate behind the scene enti ni
pa be ye chairman
yes enti wo kire say e dis sanity dia kwate wo party wo mera so enti there is going to be an internal fight within NDC kwate wo party na fa wo be founder and leader of the party John Dramani Mahama menfa ye ho fa brother chairman and financier of the party and fine
woman organizer.
Yes, woman organizer, national woman organizer. Fire Lodina, na Sami Jemfi, Randia Benum, and where Kikaun.
Youth organizers, me are there.
One teacher Mao, no, we now
police station executive.
Yes, now I'm sure to many 2% of the vote. Anna said John Dramani Mahama, or you interested in that petition or require, he would have stopped it before it becomes public.
Come by the weekend, come there, yapa weekend. So we niska or weekend. Nay close advanced country bank country papa ben a developer. Yet me close the whole market, the whole shops. Say sanitation day and name really be that's years of Juma. A brand institutions why you to institutions why you to Zoom Lion wet trying to contact him and now they are my original chairman for say omoye day omo share sanitation so and almost so tete faako and omo de and omo de disturb yen krom obi an ye adwuma because ejije president so or your this year si obi a ndi ejije no so enso anke cars ye to abama we som na abesom enye timamufon citizen na esom eza wo mu na abeso citizen afraid the service no say adane we yen service biom say timamfo no mu na som friend dem for servants no mo se mo ye servants mo ba besom nso ye mu na afraid ye som na Saturday pa na close shop say sanitation day nso so fa nipa we tu fa mo we yi gata mu dia gu ho na me ahwe saa mensuato na gata na asa nso na se atwini nyina kogu gata mu biem nso na se atwini nyina kogu gata mu biem we ya kwa na ye bai na ye nya leaders papa bi intimi control sa di we intimi control sanitation common sanitation keke intimi control baby aye dumping site kwa ye nibi ni nyina aye private way zoom line on there the zoom line no close a wunya baby fa ngugu ye kwa ya na e bai ade a me ya ye nkofo na ewu no na ejapade asenya asenketwa onipa
obeti atechem wo suro se obekoti bi amanfo wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka Ghana for one my sense form papa one my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya daje ko sell lie eto abasama o because wo betina so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. E ma wu jade atamos ewu ye. Ye disa show nsama wo buye. Wo wie wo se wo nye president da. E ma ye vote ma wo be di 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se wo betwa 12 good years wo tumi nye hwe wo promises en kokon ketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina kokofu a wo promise omo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo ba ye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo ba ya wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he efiri kwa me kruma time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edidada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri oso nyame nsan ni oso. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di we chi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esu bi mbada o
bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afa Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nye hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi tata nso ton na baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See mo de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yenime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospitals and they go on and no women say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. This is a kind of candy was I would to me was I mean, say almost same people for for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals are most of my account for. I comfort my facilitating me on funded free seniors who some account for. You see, any Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na tani afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you radio ndama ni ma say all members come to do one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, o mo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon the money Mama could not and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, now they're kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and you now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Fiums, hey, Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true. Onye Juma or da. And Onye Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.